Do you know how you can completely improve and transform your home into a breathtaking living space that will leave everyone amazed? We have some amazing design ideas to share with you, from the living room to the kitchen, from the bedroom to the bathroom. Get ready to discover simple yet stunning ways. Welcome to Improvement Burst. In this guide, we will take you through a wide range of innovative concepts, practical design tips, and the latest trends in interior design. Let's start with the living room, which is often considered the heart of the home. This is the space where you entertain guests, unwind after a long day, and spend quality time with your loved ones. To create a warm and inviting atmosphere, it's important to consider a mix of textures and materials. Imagine a cozy rug that welcomes your feet, a comfortable sofa that invites you to sink in, and a stylish coffee table that becomes a centerpiece of conversation. By combining different elements, you can add depth and character to your living room. Additionally, don't forget to add soft cushions and throws for extra comfort and visual interest. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood. Consider a combination of overhead, task, and accent lighting to create different atmospheres and highlight specific features or areas in the room. And let's not forget the beauty of bringing nature indoors with some carefully placed plants that not only add a touch of green, but also improve the air quality. Now, let's move on to the dining area, a space that goes beyond just a place to eat. The dining room is where conversations flow, celebrations happen, and connections are made. To create a memorable dining experience, start with a large and sturdy table that can accommodate your family and guests comfortably. However, don't be afraid to experiment with different shapes and materials. Round tables can create a more intimate setting, while rectangular tables can cater to larger gatherings. Pair your table with comfortable chairs that invite everyone to linger and enjoy their meal. To add a touch of elegance, consider a statement chandelier that becomes a focal point in the room. And remember, the scale and proportion of your dining set should harmonize with the overall space. Enhance the dining experience with carefully chosen wall decor that complements the design and adds a personal touch. Moving on to the kitchen, it's a space where creativity and nourishment come together. When designing your kitchen, functionality should be at the top of your priority list. Consider the work triangle concept, which focuses on the optimal distance between the stove, sink, and refrigerator. This layout ensures that your cooking process is efficient and enjoyable. Embrace open shelving to add a modern touch and provide easy access to your dishes and cookware. To inject a pop of color, consider a vibrant backsplash or appliances that become focal points in the kitchen. A kitchen island not only offers additional workspace but also serves as a casual dining area, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. And don't forget about the importance of task lighting to ensure safe and efficient cooking. Pendant lights over the island or recessed lighting under the cabinets can provide both functionality and style. Now let's focus on the bedroom, your personal sanctuary for rest and relaxation. Creating a peaceful environment in the bedroom is essential for a good night's sleep. Start by investing in a quality mattress that caters to your comfort needs. Soft, comfortable bedding is also crucial in creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Choose a calming color palette with soft blues, greens, and neutrals that promote a sense of serenity. Storage solutions play a significant role in maintaining an organized bedroom. Consider built-in wardrobes or under-bed storage options to keep your space clutter-free and promote a peaceful ambiance. A bedside table is a must-have for keeping essentials within reach, such as a lamp, alarm clock, and a book for bedtime reading. When it comes to lighting, a bedside lamp with a dimmer switch allows you to adjust the brightness according to your preference. Consider adding ambient lighting to create a soft and soothing glow in the room, while accent lighting can be used to highlight artwork or architectural features that add character to the space. Window treatments also contribute to the overall design of the bedroom, providing privacy, controlling light, and adding a touch of elegance. Choose curtains, blinds, or shades that complement your color scheme and style. Finally, let's focus on the bathroom, a space that should be both functional and relaxing. A well-planned layout is key to creating a bathroom that caters to your needs. Ensure there is enough space for essential fixtures such as a sink, toilet, and shower or bathtub. Consider incorporating elements that bring a spa-like feel to your bathroom, such as a freestanding tub or a rain shower head. Storage is crucial in a bathroom to keep it organized and clutter-free. Built-in shelves or a vanity with ample storage space can help you maintain a tidy environment. For a touch of luxury, consider features like heated floors or a towel warmer that adds comfort to your daily routine. Tiles play a significant role in setting the tone for your bathroom. Choose durable and easy-to-clean tiles in a variety of colors, patterns, and materials to create a visually appealing space. A large mirror can make the bathroom feel more spacious and reflect light, enhancing the overall brightness of the room. Lighting is essential in the bathroom for both functionality and ambiance. Task lighting around the mirror ensures proper grooming, while ambient lighting creates a relaxing atmosphere for a rejuvenating bath or shower. Accent lighting can be used to highlight architectural details or decorative elements, adding a touch of elegance to the space. Designing your home is an opportunity to create a space that truly reflects your personal style and meets your functional needs. Remember, these are just ideas and guidelines to inspire you on your interior design journey. Feel free to experiment, take risks, and have fun with the process. Your home should be a place where you feel comfortable and at ease. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to refresh your current space, these tips and ideas will help guide you towards transforming your home into a haven of beauty and functionality. If you're inspired by the designs we've showcased today and want to bring a similar style to your own space, we've got you covered. Check out the links in the description below for products that capture the essence of the styles we've discussed.